How to log into your Publix Passport employee account. If you are an employee for Publix Passport and if you're trying to log into it, then make sure you stick till the end. Search for Publix Passport employee login. Once you search for this, it's gonna directly show you the website of Publix, which is publix.org. You can click on this link. From the website of publix.org, you can see a login option on the top right. You can click on this login option and again click on login. Through this section, you can first of all type in the Publix user ID or the email address that is linked with it. Once you type in your email address, in the next section, it's going to ask you for your password. So also type in the password of your account and then you can just click on sign in and you should be able to log in to your Publix Passport account. If you can't log into your account for some reason, you can click on the I need help login in option and you can take a look at some of the steps that you'll need or that will help you out to log into your account. So that is the way that you can log in to your Publix Passport employee account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.